In this video, I will show you how to create a pie on Trading 212. So this is fairly simple to do, and what you want to go and do is first just open up Trading 212 and then just bring up this section here. Here you will find your pies. Now just click create a pie. Now what you can do is create a custom one, model one, or social. So social are pies created by other people, so you can filter by top or new and just find one that you want to copy. What you can also do is custom and then build your own pies, so you can add your own instruments. For example, I'll just add Airbnb right here, and then I'll also add Spotify, and I'll do Netflix. So after adding whatever you want in your pie, just click on the blue arrow in the bottom right, and from there you can set the allocation for every asset. For example, if I want a little less Airbnb, let's say 25%, I can just slide that over. And then let's say that I want to have 42% Spotify to make it a full 100. I can choose that right there. From there you can click next, and then you can choose auto invest or manually, whichever one you want to do. So auto sets it on a schedule and automates your deposits. Manually is of course manual. For this example, just do manual. Then choose how much you want to invest. So let's say I would just want to do €5. I can select that, click next, give it a name, and then click next again, and from there just hit confirm, and I've now created this pie and it's now investing into the positions in this pie. So now if I go to holdings, you can see right here I now have the holdings. So now you know how to create a pie on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.